What's up, y'all? Welcome to 2025. Here we are again, another year. Check us out. Watch this next video. This is our first one of the year. Trying something new. So let me know what you think of it, and hopefully you like it enough to keep checking out my next videos. So stick around. Good morning, YouTube, ladies and gents out there. We are back this year after a year being off, not doing much. Pretty exciting, actually. We got a lot of big things planned this year. Right now I'm making a run up to Junction for work. Got to take some sheets of sheathing and whatnot delivered. And then later on I'll kind of walk you around to a couple projects we got going this year. You can check those out. And so yeah, we're excited to get going with it. We got some how-to videos in the works. Got a couple of videos from last year I'm hoping to post up after I get them edited all out. And really just hoping to try to be better at getting things edited. So I guess hang out and like and subscribe. Check us out. Make sure you hit that bell so you get the notifications. I'll be putting new videos out about every Sunday or so. At least that's the plan right now. And yeah, we're excited to take you along on the ride with Controlled Chaos and some of our other builds we got going. Stay tuned. So we're about halfway. We're going to tell you guys about some of the merch we're thinking about doing this year. Kind of go along with the overland, once a year overland trip that we do. I'm going to be trying to sell some cutting boards this year. And once I get those made, I'll show them to you and see what you guys think about it. And try to get some stickers, some shirts, some other stuff to go as well. And thought I'd show you what the Mesa's looking like right now. A bit of snow. Hoping to get some snow wheeling. This isn't the Mesa, this is something else. And of course, there's my Christmas tree. Don't have all the lights on yet, but I'm getting close. Maybe once I get all the lights, I get some kind of cool achievement. So, what we're doing today. On trailer. Into some snow eventually, I'm sure. Look at some of the Mesa. There it is. She's getting some snow on her today. And that means some snow wheeling later on. Alright, we made it to the Pilot truck stop here in Junction. Figured I'd show you kind of the setup I got since I don't have a truck when I gotta haul something. This little bitty trailer here. I think it used to be a camper. I'm not 100% sure, but gets the job done. Definitely gets the job done. That's interesting. Rinsed a little bit of the mud off from the drive. Here's Controlled Chaos. Alright, they're all emptied out. Load's on its way to the final customer, and I am gonna go home. The rain and the snow made it real wet. I'm sure it's gonna be just muddy, yucky at the house, so guess we'll see you there and see what it looks like. Maybe I'll still be able to walk you around with some of the new projects. So we'll see you here in a bit. Storm that we hit, or we saw, has traveled south, as you can tell. It's looking pretty bad. So I'm thinking we're going to get some pretty good snow up on the mesa, which makes for good snow healing. So look for that in an upcoming video. Hopefully within the next couple months we'll be able to get up on that mesa and get in some snow. So check that out here soon. Hey guys, so you saw me yesterday. We delivered that, or handed off that load of sheathing to the delivery driver. Who's going to take it on to its final destination. Pretty much just use this as a way to introduce the new and improved Controlled Chaos channel we're working on. We got a lot of things hopefully going down, like as I told you yesterday. I was going to go and show you a couple of them, but it's muddy, nasty, soupy, sticky out at the place right now, so that'll have to wait for another episode, another channel, another video. I look forward to doing some videos this year, so I invite you guys to go ahead and subscribe, get that notification button so you can follow along. You can also check us out on TikTok at ControlledChaos JK11. Or you can check out our Facebook page. It's just Controlled Chaos. There's a picture of my Jeep on there. And then, of course, always, leave me a comment. Tell me what you're most excited to see this year. Or if you got any ideas for some videos or some trails you want me to check out, just drop it on down below. And, we'll see what we can do with all that. And we look forward to entertaining you guys this year. So, stay tuned.